Man, we're gonna miss that CRX. We're here at Danny's house. Me and Jaime had just finished filming George's S2000. Hopefully you saw the video a couple weeks back. But Gabe's picking up this 2000 Civic Si today. This is what he sold the CRX and the Civic Si for. So I wanted to just be here, get a quick walk around of it, and plus I'd never seen the car. So we're gonna take a look at it, see what you guys think about it.
The double-sided tape, it's see that I didn't fucking bolt it right, or I don't know, man. I don't know the difference on it. It has a SI, I mean a Civic hard mat on it.
Oh yeah, oh, in the truck. John was making a video in this 2000 right now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing was junk, man.
Is it gutted?
Yeah.
Did you paint it?
I sprayed it, dude.
I like the way it looks.
That's why I think I might just leave a primer and
No, it looks cool.
use it. And then the inside I painted with some kind of interior. But I need new door panels, so I was gonna get those today. Like ask, see who has them, and then take them all off and paint them.
Okay.
With the interior paint, just so that they're black. Just to kind of pull it underneath. So I was like, Jaime must know like a way of like getting it to stay. You see it'll come down.
Oh, it comes
So that's
down.
why it's scraping, so I'll just respray this, but I need to figure a way how to keep it
See, I
on.
was asking you if it was, see how there's not much room? Like you can't put screws on
Exactly.
that, that's too thin of an edge.
Yeah, I was trying to think of a way to. And then I have wiring. And I like the offset, you know, the gray silk.
It looks cool, yeah. I like the way it looks too, man.
So
I like the wheels.
I just touch it up. Those are my original wheels I bought for my silver EM1.
Really?
Yeah. And I got them back for $200.
That's pretty cheap.
And the seats I got for like $80. And I just spent the day out here spraying it. And now I just got to clean it up on the inside, clean the glass, put a new windshield.
Are you driving it daily?
No, I haven't driven it.
No, just chilling? Okay.
I'm afraid of that lip, but
Yeah.
I got to register it.
Okay.
I can't imagine it costing me more than like $300.
I don't think so either.
And then just use it as a daily, leave my Lexus alone. Like the OEM mats underneath the SI mats.
Oh, it has the Williams under?
Mm-hmm. Because I said, oh, I'm so anxious. I was like, oh, you're picking me up.
This interior is real clean. I like it.
I think so, huh?
Yeah.
The guy took care of it, so. I bought it.
How long have you had this one now?
The hatch?
Yeah.
Probably the longest, a year.
Okay.
But I barely started working on it.
The life in a car.
Yeah. Barely started working on it. And I thought it came out okay from way doing the fucking shit.
No shit. What up?
Union or what?
What up, man?
I want to be a new type.
Kidding.
What's up, man? Good.
We were over here, me and Jaime were filming George's car.
Oh, okay.
So we were just done eating and Danny called him up.
Oh, yeah?
It's like, yeah, let's go over here and check it out.
Wait, I didn't know the back bumper was gonna.
Oh, he had some STS crap on it or whatever. Those little things with the holes of metal pieces.
They took him out?
I guess it was off. I even asked him, hey, dude, what happened to the things you have? He's like, no, man, I don't have them.
That sucks.
So,
We popped the hood.
It's just right there. Alright, go to class.
It's the original head
Uh-huh.
with a
The
B20
B20
block.
bottom.
Okay.
headers, exhaust. It's super quiet.
I like that the line they used for the clutch. That's cool.
Yeah, he uses good shit when he replaces
A braided
it.
one?
The clutch is brand new. He has I guess these are the chain damper. I don't know. He said it was like an 800 and some dollars.
Oh, they're tins?
Yeah.
So they're super streets probably with these adjustables.
So it's right now I think it's set at soft. So but yeah. He just had it sitting and I made him an offer. And then he has those CCWs that I'm trying to get rid of for him. It's got LED lights, headlights. So that's what it looks like.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean, they're
What color are
fucking
they?
nice, dude.
White?
Yeah, like that bluish white.
Blue?
Well, they're more white.
Okay.
Like they're fucking nice.
Yeah, let's see. Cause I like white.
But I've never seen
You
the,
have to look for a freaking bumper.
the LED lights. You know what I mean?
What kind of muffler is this?
I forgot
Not
what
sure?
it was called, dude.
Okay.
But it's super quiet.
What up?
I'll be back.
Man, you got some vicious curbs around here, huh?
Yeah.
I paid $700 for this? Damn, man, that's good. Yeah, this is original. Original engine.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know if it. I need
So-
to learn how to wire these to the.
Did they wire tuck?
I think so, dude.
Yeah, they did. Everything's there. It's
Because
cleaned up a lot
the
in here.
headlights were wrapped in some in like a. I cleaned in some on one of the fuses.
Okay.
So I took the wire off. I don't know where it goes now. So now my headlights will turn on. But it drives really good, man.
You know, it's always cool to see like something working on, and the primer's fine. Everything else. It looks not bad at all.
You know, just in that with the dash, you're good to go. But yeah, I need to find someone that wires. Do you know how to wire, John?
Somewhat.
Like where these would go so that when I turn on these, the city. I've always loved that. That's a brake.
Is that the brake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Is it? That's weird. I've never seen it like that.
I like that black little piece here. Offsets to it, you know? It has something like, according to the guy, like from the rebuild,
Uh-huh.
like 15,000 miles on it.
Really?
Like an SI shit sound.
Oh, you did? Oh shit.
Yeah, love
You're building up.
again, man, but it's lightweight actually.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And that's why I couldn't go lower, because it's not actually for owning it from me, because he gave me a license back. That was the original deal to trailer. But honestly, that's why I even put something up and I was like,
These mats.
Yeah, I don't think this is for this car though. No.
This one?
Yeah. Is it?
No, I don't think it is.
that's what John said.
Or you know what? It probably is, but it's because it's a
Gotcha. Yeah, it's just old. Are they?
I saw it in the reflection on the trunk.
I've never seen that before. I've never noticed.
The Civic?
Oh yeah, yeah. Let me know.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah. So I just tell me, man, I'll buy him off.
It's a new addition to my collection.
You don't have a collection anymore. I have part of it.
No, one of one.
I know.
Vin Diesel.
Are you making fun of Jaime?
Huh?
You making fun of Jaime?
Yeah,
He was Team Brian, now he's Team Vin Diesel.
right in the park.
This car's gonna pop a wheelie right
Alright. Exactly.
now. I'll just.
I would just order
rather.
it.
I would rather. Put
But if
the
you want to go
bumper back
OEM, you know.
on. Yeah. The only thing that sucks is that's the original bumper. Like it had the VIN number. Well, I remember you saying like automatics, or anything automatic.
So
Didn't you buy a Focus?
that's my friend's. Man.
Oh,
yeah,
that's yours.
yes.
Yeah. I thought that was yours.
Yeah. But
This is. I wouldn't tell this one.
yeah, this one has a nice clean interior, and the motor's never been
This is a cool daily driver.
I love bias.
This thing just broke off. Never been touched, never been molested.
Headlights are clean.
Are these 4 cylinders?
No.
Six.
It's the CJZ6.
Okay.
It's not the GTE, it's the GE. The 2J. Put some baby turbos and they get like 500 horsepower. The stock transmission holds it. You're a dream crush. I don't want to lie to you. You know what I mean? I really.
I ran away too. I'm like, because when I had my red Integra, I got the imitation CTRs.
Yeah, nah, man. These are legit.
I saw
dude.
these. I'm like, with the city lights, do they turn on?
No, I don't think he has them wired. I didn't see them turn on. Either that or the bulb. One or the other. I
What
don't
if you
know.
just have it wired up, John?
That's why I asked him.
John will fix it.
So, John, wire up this
Yeah,
on this
yeah, the same with this one.
It's the same thing we're talking about.
I'm down.
So,
Window, John. You know what I could probably even do is get that filled in on the bumper. Yeah, no, it's badass.
so, but
It looks cool without
I
it.
looked for it on
But you
eBay and I
have it?
couldn't find it.
No?
So I don't know what it's called. Maybe I'm.
Yeah, I'll put the stock one in the back.
And then you need the Civic on the top.
See, they did that when they probably painted it.
I'm sure it
And just
did,
put
man.
that in.
I'm
I
sure.
wonder
they
if he
did.
got it painted.
I don't know, man. He said the guy that built the motor is like supposedly builds 600 horsepower motors. So
After seeing the car, what do you guys think? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Pretty cool car. Gabe's a huge fan of these Civic SIs. And it's just been one of his favorite vehicles ever. So I think that's the reason why he jumped on the opportunity to get it. I know none of us like the cut rear bumper. That's the biggest flaw with the car, but that could be fixed. He's already looking for a bumper. And I think he already found one. I just hadn't spoken to him in the last couple days. But I think he found one, an OEM one off a red SI, and he's gonna get that put on and get it repainted in time. So thanks for watching today, guys. We'll see you guys next time.